If the thought of cranking out reels or shorts for multiple platforms each day makes your head spin, you're not alone. Keeping track of hashtags, captions, publish dates, and not posting the exact same thing on the same day across Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, that can quickly get quite overwhelming and even make the most seasoned content creators head spin. In this video, I'll be showing you how we easily manage hundreds and hundreds of reels with ease using ClickUp. And yes, you get to see behind the scenes again how we have managed to create, publish, and organize daily reels across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And we are even looking now to add another platform. So let me show you how easily this system works right here in ClickUp. What it comes down to, it's a short form video that is recorded vertically and gets published on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Shorts, whatever it is. Now, we decided specifically to stay under that 1 minute mark because our goal is market saturation. We want to be out there everywhere, really helping people understand ClickUp and how to run their business more efficiently, which means market domination. How do we do that? By being able to repurpose the content I create. Meaning, I am recording on my computer. I am not doing a lot of the dancing and trending audio and all the things. I am doing educational short form content that we want to repurpose and be able to post anywhere. Now with that, when it comes to the task management of it, the editing is being handed off. If you haven't seen, I actually shared how we have set short form editing process up for an agency. If you want to see it, we have a video on that. By the end, I'll link it again. Once that video is edited, this is daily content, which means there is easily every month 30 to 60 short form videos. Short form videos that need hashtags, that need description, that potentially need tagging if we are repurposing the podcast content. There's a lot going on. And not only that, I also need to make sure that we are not posting the same short form video on TikTok and Instagram at the same time, while tracking that it actually has been published. And if your head is spinning already, yes, mind it too at the beginning of this. So let's head on over to ClickUp and I'll show you exactly how you can make it happen too. And stay till the end because I got a bonus for you, and I got even 2 bonuses if you are a member of Startup Your ClickUp. So you better be hanging around because you don't want to miss that. Here is my short form list right in ClickUp. So yes, walking through the hierarchy, we have our content creation space. We have a creation folder. There's other things going on. In this case, it is just our creation folder with a list in there of all short form content. In this list, there is no YouTube long form content. And then within here, let's start with how we really customize this view to build this foolproof system to managing hundreds of reels using ClickUp. The task name is a quick descriptor of what that video talks about. We have the time tracked in here. At some point, I'll show you how I use AI to actually make the descriptions and the hashtag ideas way easier. It links to Google Drive. Yes, that is automated. And at some point, comment. You know what? You get to make the decision. I have this automated, this task creation for each short form and the Google Drive generation. That's all automated. You want to see it? Pop in the comment and let me know that you want to see that automation video too. Then we have room for our transcriptions. As you know, we are using Descript. We have our type custom field, which allows us to determine if that is a podcast, if that is an educational video, if it is something where I was a guest on, or if it's a call to action of, hey, join Startup Your ClickUp, because it makes running ClickUp so much easier. in 5 minutes or less, every video. We then have a relationship field that links to the podcast in case it is a podcast, because we also have the podcast content creation folder. You've seen that. If not, check it out on the YouTube channel. It's there. Then we have our long text field with the social media post copy as well as hashtags. Room for our blog post link if we want to link back to that. A general URL, this could be when I was guest on another podcast or that kind of thing. People I need to mention, in this case my guest, potentially a host. Maybe I'm mentioning another tool. That goes all in here, and this right here is where the magic happens. Everything to this point is general data collection. All the things we need to know to really be able to post this and make it go crazy. Look at my YouTube, look at my Instagram. My reels have been taking off because of this. And because of this, my head has not been spinning, and we literally were able to post daily on 3 different platforms. Yes, I've been running it to clean up this workflow, and we'll be handing this off now. Now, how we are doing this right here, we are looking at everything. We'll talk about the custom views here in a second that make your life easier. Right now, let's look at all of the content. We have a custom date field that is YouTube publish date, Instagram publish date, and TikTok publish date. That allows you to easily see in the calendar, which you will see at the end of the video, which video gets posted and have that content calendar going on. I have a video on that one too. You will get the playlist at the end. Then we also have check marks, meaning yes, this has been scheduled. Yes, this is published. You literally just check it off. Done, published, published. And as you can see, we're taking this to the next level right now. I just started playing with an automation that when all 3 of those are checked, it gets marked complete. But we just started that, which is why it's not completed yet. Now this is everything. This is like, oh my God, Monday morning, Evie, I need to publish to Instagram. What do I need to publish? And you just get a heart attack. Let's not get a heart attack, shall we? Let's go to Instagram. And now we have a specific view just for our Instagram publishing schedule right here. It is all grouped by status. And then we have the filter of Instagram Reels is not checked, combined with sorting it by the Instagram publish custom date field. Now I can go in here and be like, yep, this actually was published, cool, and it is just gonna poof, disappear. This is what's going out tomorrow and for the rest of the week and the rest of the month. And we've done the same thing within YouTube, where the filter simply is YouTube is not checked, and TikTok where TikTok is not checked. Now for the workflow and the process that's behind it, I go into everything. All of this starts with Instagram. Instagram is our main focus. That's where the main content gets published first. So what we do is I go in here and I look at my type. I want to mix them up nicely, and I really just choose the custom dates. Then based on Instagram, I head on over to YouTube, make sure I publish. Then right here in YouTube, I go through my YouTube custom date and set those dates just in a different way that they are not the same as the Instagram publish date. And then I do the same thing over with TikTok. That's really how simple it is. Now the magic happens when we go a level up into our content creation. All of this data and all of this magic really starts playing in when we go into the space level of our content creation. And now suddenly what you can see is our YouTube short being published, our newsletter going out. Guys, on my newsletter, sorry, losing Bailey, I'm way behind on my newsletters, but we'll get there soon again. Our Facebook community posts, everything is in here because this follows exactly what you have seen in the other videos of how we use custom date fields to build our visual content calendar right in here. Now, if you're like, Evie, I do not want to deal with this. I don't want to deal with this. I do have the template for you. Find it right in the description. And if you are a Startup Your ClickUp member, you get 50% off. Check out your membership area. Your coupon code is going to be right in there. Now, if you want to step up your content creation and make life easier and simplified and visually appealing, I have a full-on playlist for you for content creation tips, hacks, and processes right here in ClickUp. Make sure you subscribe because there is more efficiency tips and content creation workflows coming up for you.